Hello everyone, welcome to Checkliber channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the error the application was unable to start correctly in your Windows 10 computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to the search box and then type in CMD and then right click on command prompt and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Now in here what you have to do is copy and paste this code. I will leave this code in the description of the video so that you can just copy it and then paste it here. Now press enter from your keyboard and now copy the second code and then paste it in here and then press enter from your keyboard again. Now close CMD and see if the problem is gone. If not, then move on to the next fix. Now for that, what you have to do is go to start and then type in control and then click on control panel. Now in here, click on programs and then click on turn Windows features on or off. Now in here, click on this checkbox right next to .NET Framework 3.5 and then click on OK. Now click on let Windows update downloaded files. And now it may take a few seconds or even a minute, so just hang in there. And now when it is done, click on close and check to see if the problem is gone. If not, then move on to the third fix. For that, go to Windows Explorer and then C drive. In here, go to Windows. Now scroll down and enter the System32 folder. Now from here, press X key from your keyboard and then find the file that says xinput1-3.dll and then delete this file. Now go back to Windows folder again and then scroll down a bit and then enter the sys-wow64 folder. And in here, press X from your keyboard again and find that same file again, which is xinput1-3.dll and then delete the file. Now what you have to do is just open any browser and then search for download DirectX and then press enter. Now enter the first link, which is from microsoft.com, and then scroll down a bit and then click on download. Now run the downloaded file and then click on yes. Now click on accept and then click on next. Now uncheck this bar, which is install the Bing bar, and then click on next. Now click on next and we are done. Now click on finish. Now check to see if the problem is fixed. I hope it will be, and that is how you can fix the problem or the error of the application was unable to start correctly. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.